Dear school, this video article provides a step-by-step guide on how to import student data into the ERP system. Go to the administration section, click on student module. Now click on import icon. Read the instructions and then download the template. Open the sheet and enter the required data. If full details are not available, ensure that the mandatory fields are filled in. The mandatory fields are admission number, class, section, student first name, father first name, and father phone number. Now save the file. Now import the data, choose the file, click on Upload Excel. Here you can see total number of records, valid records, and invalid records. Before uploading the file, download the invalid record and then click on Upload. Now, in this way, you'll be able to import the data. Now, to view the imported data, click on Student, then click on Administration icon. Next, click on Class Summary. Now, here you can find total number of students and also you can find number of student class wise. Thank you.